Hello parts, atong tanaw ning usa sa mga pantalan sa Germany kay approaching mga parts. Karon parts kay alas 6 media human parts mo standby nig way pamahaw pero mga pigid parts kay medyo tugnaw-tugnaw para dili kabuhion ba. Samtang naglantaw tas pantalan sa Cuxhaven, Germany parts. Shout out sa mga ni-request. Shout out kang Gino Mata watching from Amosop. John Anthony Biro watching from Somalia. Kristen Lee Igang Mendez watching from Carmen Bohol. Manuel Napoles watching from Ormoc City. Lidio Asiro. Nusram Biol watching from Carmen Bohol. Alfreda Lido watching from Maragusan, Davao de Oro. Nets Estiliore Lacano watching from Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. Fred Steele watching from Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. Ome Di Castro Arbolida. Genesis Baino watching from Garcia Hernandez, Bohol. Fernando Sasan Jr. watching from Davao de Oro.
Pilot of. Thank you. Secure the ladder.
Vic Aranya watching from Panglao, Bohol. Jan Angelo Calamba watching from Carmen, Bohol. Nathaniel Anino watching from Dawis, Bohol. Chufi Villa Hermoso watching from Dawis, Bohol. Ging Manti Dacolyat watching from Cagayan de Oro City. Jesus Coronel Dib Didicatoria watching from Tandag City. Dito Gamilia watching from Bulacan. George Impis watching from Alicia, Bohol. Marcelo Doria watching from Southern Leyte. Reginaldo M. Valiente watching from Ubay, Bohol. Domingo Balaba. Chiprock C. Lahon Utuat watching from La Prisa Dormitory. Merlen Generale Legaspi watching from Sapang, Ternate, Cavite. Merijen Valento Sasan watching from Saudi Arabia. Duke Yanyon watching from Cebu City. Bundok Vlogs watching from General Santos City. Boy Trilis Melchor Sirato watching from Libho, Merida, Leyte. Gili Dayaganon watching from Cainta, Rizal. Renerio Abinido Cuervo watching from Talibon, Bohol. Cordapio Maron Vlog. Elmer Lacosta Usasid Fernandez Nalds watching from Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Edwin Tugaon Sixto. Ug sa tanan ako mga viewers, daghang salamat.